have a brief view about the different personality traits or the types of personality. First one is the duty fulfiller. Now, these people are highly law abiding people. They are very sincere in their work and they would refuse to take any risk. They are more concerned about their family and friends, their immediate system. Such people do not want to take any risks in their life and they never say no. Any work given to the duty fulfillers is being done perfectly on time and error free. Okay, such people, as I said, are highly law abiding people. Okay, they are very legal and they do not like to break law. It's not their practice, it's not their habit, it's not there in their behavior also. Okay, so such people, end of the day, what happens is because they're all people who never get to say no. Such people might or mostly are being overburdened. They are overburdened because, as I said, they never said no. And when a person comes for a help, there is a never a no from this person. Even if there is no possibility of them to help, they would try their level best to go out of their way to get that person whatever the person needs. So such people are called the duty fulfillers. Next is the mechanic. As the name itself suggests, these are people who have an eye for motorcycles, for engines, aeroplanes, aircrafts. Okay, so they're all people who cannot just take any explanation without proper support. They're people who always look for proper evidences. They're all people who have an eye for such machinery. They are all people who are always looking for logical reasoning. Nothing can convince them except for their own logical reasoning. They are all people who depend on complete practical knowledge. The nurturer. Nurturers are people who always live for others. They never complain. Nurturers never complain. They always take the best from the people. They are people who ignore or who hide, who get away from the darker side and make the best out of people. The artist. The name itself says these are people who have an eye for imagination, creativity. They would not blindly follow anybody because they will have their own style to follow. They're all people who create a style for them. They don't blindly follow people. The protector. Now, these people, the protectors, it's very hard to convince them. They are all people who find problems with every situation. They are very practical people. Practical people. They are in short, in layman's term, I can say they are all pessimists who find an issue with every problem, who find an issue with every solution. They always look on either sides, not just the positive, but also about the negative. And it's very hard to convince such people because they are very practical and they only want the best to happen always. Next is the idealist. These idealists are people with values and morale. Again, just like the duty fulfillers, they cannot say no. And they're always there to help. Sometimes these idealists are people who find happiness, who find joy in helping people. They think they are bound to help people. They think they are very happy when it comes to helping people. Such people are called the idealists. The scientist. These are people who are always on the look for better options. These are always people who look on better organizing things. They're always looking for new things to come up. They are very innovative people, creative people. The doer is a person who wants to get the work done perfectly and at the right time. Such people are called the doers. These people will get their work done at any cost, whatever might be, they will make sure they get their work done. The guardian. Such people are, in simple terms, called perfectionists. They don't like to, they don't like being alone. They always would like to be among people, and they always look for the best, for perfection. The performer. The performers are people who are very happy, who are very joyful. Such people always have fun in making friends, or happy in being with people around. These people are always people who seek attention, who do their work perfectly, and at the same time they are very loud. Okay, they always want to be the center of attraction. Such people are called the performers. The inspirer. Inspirers are people who often act as role models. These are people who people get inspired by. Such people are called inspirers. The giver. Giver again are people who would love to share things. They are people who would love to be with people and who do not hesitate to share knowledge. They are people who are always there when you need help from them. Lastly, the executives. These executives are born leaders. They have amazing leadership qualities, and they're very good when it comes to administration also. So quickly going through the types: the duty fulfiller who never says no and gets overburdened, the mechanic who always has an eye for all motorcycles and aeroplanes and is a very logical person, okay, who always believes on logical reasoning. The nurturer. Nurturer is a person who always takes the best from the people around. The artist, an eye for all creativity, and a person who has his or her own style. Next is the protector, a person who wants the best to happen, a person who always is a very practical person who looks for negativity also in negativity in every solution, just to be on the safer side. An idealist is a person with values and morale. A scientist, an innovative person, a person who always gathers evidence and ideas. Doer is a person who gets the task done at any cost. A guardian is a person who is a perfectionist, who's always there when you need help. Performer, again, is a person who does his or her task, but always longs or looks for attention. Inspirer, a person who becomes literally a role model for everybody. The giver is a person who is ready to help always, and the executive who are born leaders and have got great administration skills.